the list. Damn. Cross it off. Ooh, I gotta go back to the board.
That was a hot pick. That was a hot
right
pick.
there.
I enjoy nibs, but it didn't phase my list.
Okay, go.
All right, pick another.
Man.
Fourth pick. I'm gonna go with Rolos.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Yeah. I forgot about Rolos. It's a nice little.
Yeah.
You would always get a full pack of them.
Yeah.
If somebody handed them out, you can just pop in your mouth, keep them in your pocket as you're running around.
Really?
A little kick of caramel and chocolate. Yeah,
Not bad.
all right, fine.
That's your best pick for me so far.
Rolos?
Yeah.
Even above Reese? Oh, yeah, because it gives you
I don't like that.
James, you're fourth.
I'm gonna have to go chocolate. I haven't gone chocolate yet, so I have to. Pretty standard though. I love an O. Henry. I love O. Henry.
All right.
You can't get peanut butter.
Don't say it like that.
I love O. Henry.
Don't say it like that ever again.
I love O. Henry.
All right. I'm going with another wild card pick.
Oh, wow.
I am picking
Reese's Pieces.
Wow.
Wow.
Pieces.
I love Reese's.
So the cups give you heartburn, but the pieces don't.
Well,
Not enough peanut butter, probably.
Yeah, probably not.
Yeah. Well, it's a secondary choice, but I mean, we're at our fourth pick, so it's understandable. My final pick.
yeah.
I knew I could put last.
Okay.
Neither of you
No,
would ever
I can
attempt
guess
to
it.
have it. Gloss-heads.
Raisin Gloss.
Raisin Gloss-heads.
Right.
Wrap up my five.
Like rabbit turds.
So Reese, Sour Patch Kids, combos, Rolos, and Raisin Gloss-heads. That's a great list.
You know what? No one's stealing your candy. I can tell
What
you
are you
that at
talking
school.
about?
No one's going in there. Maybe for the peanut butter.
Yeah, maybe one of the
Delicious.
teachers.
It's delicious. All right. James?
I'm going as an adult